there was a large market sell-off today. Nvidia lost.
What do you mean large? Nvidia.
Correct.
Nvidia went up from something like 12, 13, 14, 18, all right? Went up an order of magnitude. So giving back 17% is not large. It's just a small setback.
Why do you think it was such a sharp sell-off? Was it market structure and too overcrowdedness in one name? Or was it the
Everybody
fundamentals?
focuses on the same story, and people notice the falls more than the rises, okay? They find it natural that the story would work, that Nvidia would keep rising, and unnatural when it pulls back a little bit. It pulled back, very little considering the risks involved in such an industry. You're building everything on the hope that people will use your chip, will use chips, rely on chips, and that the investment will not come from software or someone figuring out a better idea or some other method, and which is what happened. It's a hint of what is to come.
Well, are you saying that there could be a lot more in terms of a drawdown?
I think that the over-reliance on that story of, number one, you're going to be the one making money from AI, Nvidia, not others. This over-reliance is completely at odds with our knowledge of history, all right? The one who came up with the first laptop computer, Sir Clive Osborne, went bankrupt, okay? The one who, look at history. Those who come up with a new technology, they think, hey, you know what? We figured out this is going to be the future. We own the future, and sure enough, okay, someone else will make the money. So, of course, last Thursday we could not have seen, what would have displaced Nvidia, but now we very clearly see that this story is very fragile.
Even with the drawdown, people have still made a lot of money on Nvidia.
Tons. They're going to give back a lot more. So this is the beginning.
A beginning of what?
Beginning of an adjustment of people to reality, because now they realize now it's no longer flawless. You have a small little chip on the glass. Now they realize, oh, it's not infallible. Oh, maybe I should revise. Let me repeat a story I often talk about. If you were in 1999, 98, 99, trying to invest in the future of the internet, you would have invested in Alta Vista. And then Google came out of nowhere and displaced Alta Vista.
Do you think the DeepSeek moment for Nvidia is gray swan? Or even a black swan?
All of them. All of technology is a gray swan in the sense that they have, people underestimate how much deviation you can have in a single day. And this 17%, even if without the story, without knowing anything, is not out of line with the statistical structure of these.
Do you think that there could be another drawdown of this type?
Or much bigger, or 2-3 times bigger even. It's absolutely in line with what you can expect. Think about it. Something goes from 1 to 10, goes back to 9, people freak out. Right?
Does it show the fragility of market structure? Too much
It shows the
concentration
fragility of the wealth formation based on a very small number of stocks causing it. Okay, how much of wealth formation came from Nvidia? 3 trillion capitalization. A lot of it is recent. Okay, so it shows us how much the whole economic structure is fragile because of that.